Hello. Faculty sa harap
Ngayong
na
araw
po tayo.
guys, orientation naming mga School of Humanities sa mga psychology na from first year to third year and fourth year. Ngayon, nagtitech rehearsal na lang yung mga MCs and yung sound dito, sound booth. Kuya, oras kayo matatapos ng orientation? Dami ng tao. Kainis.
Ayan, excited na talaga.
Excited na?
Today, we are gathered here
that continue to serve as a valuable resources during university activities. As an expression of gratitude, we celebrated Teachers Day 2025 by honoring our BA Communication faculty.
Totoo yan, partner. But you know, being part of an organization is not a piece of cake. Time management is crucial. Siyempre, minsan ay sumasabay ang mabibigat na requirements sa klase. There are moments that you can get.
Our first year advisor, the most handsome, Jim Gomer, muscly, Craig Hortaleza. Sasayaw daw ng Brazilian dance si Ma'am Eric. Kaka-play na lang po. Okay. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to the third year advisor. Herbie Soriano, advisor of the third year BA Communication Research Coordinator.
The guidance office. Okay. Ano pa ba? I hold 2 licenses. I am a registered psychometrician and a registered guidance counselor. And thank you. Oo. Soon kayo din. Diba? Oo. At hindi lang po kayo nag-aaral lang, okay? So, meron kayong mga research, extension services, ganyan. So, i-explore natin yon when the right time comes. Siguro din before. So, nag-serve din siya as news reporter sa GMA Regional TV. Yeah. Next po. Baka ako naman yan.
Events host po, sino yung mga magdedibo na dito? Ayan, mga balik ako yung kuna. Yung mga magdedibo na dyan, ayan, meron kayong discount, nasa faculty room lang. Ayan, so...
Here, subukan niyo ko isin na yun. So, I am a proud product of Universidad Dagupan Bachelor of Arts in Communication. So, kakagraduate ko lang po last July 10. And the second Program Excellence Awardee of BA Communication. So, yun po. And ACS President po ako and nag-serve po ako as student leader for 4 consecutive years. So, ano po yung subject na i-handle ko is digital imaging. Hobbies ko po, edit. So, next po. So, other info you would like to share, I am the student leader of the year, kaya humanities dapat huwag niyong papakawalan yung award na yan. So, Best in Internship Excellence Award and the newly appointed Vice President for Tarpaulins and Lead Wall. Kung may mga plans pa sa Lead Wall, contact niyo lang po ako. 10K po. So, next.
Hindi madadagdag. Pero before I graduated, I served as a student leader for 4 years.
Oo, medyo kinakabahan ako ganun. First time ko magsalita sa ganito. Medyo naiiyak ako, pero sige, try natin. Okay? So, ganito pa ako yung team? Sinasabotahe ako. Okay. So, my name is Rana Lester Ignacio.
Wala, yung sino. Ang makakahula niya, merong kuwaro. Sino siya? Pilay ng mga faculty? Sino yan? Ay! Next! Ay! Sino kaya yan? Last round.
Reynard. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay. What's the name of this faculty? Ma'am Angelica Luz is correct! Congratulations! Ko na saan po si Ma'am Riza? Na ako na pala ang paharap. Oo. Nakilala lang yata ako nung estudyanteng yon nung third year, second sem na dito. Great! Ako sarili ko! Ito talaga, nakakapal na mukha. Okay. Ano ang lowest grade?
Ano, matapos kong makita yung qualifications kanina para ma-qualify sa cum laude. Ang sakit kasi may 85 ako, 86 dapat yung lowest grade.
Okay, deserve. Ayan. Year level advisor. Bring me some. Rasul, tama na. Tama na, Rasul. Tama na.
Ikaw na kami, te!
Okay, as you can see the numbers, the code of the room, you can see it on top of the door. That is all. Thank you for bearing with me. I am a very shaky man, kamano, but sa palayo pa rin kinakaya.